Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow camera and microphone access on Instagram. So first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram by going to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. And if you see this update button right here, you have to click that, wait for a couple of seconds as it is updating. Once updated, you can go back and see if you have the access to your camera and microphone. If not, then the second thing you should do is you have to swipe down and look for your phone settings in case that after updating you still cannot see this microphone and camera option. Go to your settings, scroll down and look for app management. And then you have to go to your app list. Now here you have to look for your Instagram. You can scroll down here or search Instagram and then click Instagram. After that, you have to scroll down and look for permissions, click permissions, and here you have to make sure that this camera and microphone are both under allowed. So to do that, you have to click and then tap allow. Also with your camera, you have to click this one and then tap allow. In this way, you give Instagram the access to use your camera and as well as your microphone. And that's how you basically allow camera and microphone access on Instagram. So if you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.